Naghahanap ka ng trabaho sa bahay, gusto mo sana malaki yung kita, pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. If hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga ba yung skill set, ano yung niche na pwede mong pasukin, then this video is for you. Kagaya niya, let's see. Rafa Martinez, sabi niya, yung PPC course po ba Amazon din? And may internship din po ba and one-on-one coaching? So let's answer all of these questions in one video. PPC is a form of media buying wherein magbabayad lang yung client sa ads nila per click. Amazon naman is a different industry. Although PPC can apply to Amazon, ibang skill set ang pwede mong i-offer doon. For Amazon, we have a class, 999 pesos lang siya, may kasama na siyang internship. And with regards to your question ng one-on-one coaching, lahat ng classes namin, whether it's the free version which is the revamp for only 399 na refundable, or yung mga 499 namin which is yung mga level 2, or yung mga 999 namin, lahat yan meron niyang one-on-one coaching. But please take note ha, may process tayo. Kasi ang goal namin ay to produce mentees na ready na talagang mag-work after ng training. So hindi namin basta-bastang hinahand out yung certificate ng parang ito lang, o ayan na, certified ka na, ganyan. No! We have a process. So lahat ng classes namin, magkakaroon kayo ng industry training. So yun yung product training, kumbaga sa call center. Kung may experience kayo sa call center, familiar kayo doon. So products training, industry training. After that, i-schedule kayo within probably 2 weeks, basta within the month, you will get a schedule for application book. Ito naman yung tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-apply. After the application book, may isa pa kayong session which is the final activity touch base. This is some sort of Q&A. Kamusta na kayo? Nag-apply na ba kayo? Along with that invite, meron na kayong tinatawag namin na final activity. Ngayon, si final activity, kailangan isubmit nyo lahat ng application book na meron kayo. So, from social media accounts for freelancing, portfolio, lahat, i-check kasi natin yon sa mock interview. Punta naman tayo doon sa one-on-one. Ang mock interview natin is a one-on-one with me or whoever's the coach that's assigned for that particular class. May 2 parts to. The first part is you interview, mock interview na i-interviewin ko kayo. I'll ask you questions, I'll give you pointers on how to improve. And yung part 2 is re-reviewin natin yung sinubmit nyo sa application book kung meron pa bang pwedeng i-improve. Once you have completed that, that is the time that you will get your certificate. Kasi that's the time na confident na kami na kaya mo na, ready ka na. Hindi to natatapos yung relationship namin with our trainees kasi Discord, and we also have our Google Classroom. I'm just so happy kasi napapolish na namin ng paunti-unti talaga yung process, and we do not stop developing kung ano man yung ino-offer namin dito sa mentorship program kasi natutuwa ako kapag meron nang magme-message na may trabaho na ako, or alam mo yun, hindi kami tumitigil, and we also take feedback na talagang, yes, good to. Ito something na we can work on, and you know what I mean. Now, if you guys are interested at hindi pa rin talaga kayo sure kung ano talaga yung gusto ninyo na niche or market, what I would highly recommend is this. We have a class, we call it the Top VIP. Si Top VIP, all access pass siya sa lahat ng trainings for 1 year. Meaning, lahat ng classes na meron, including if may internship, pwede kayo mag-join. You get to meet all of the coaches. And napansin ko, during the course of this training, magkakaroon kayo ng idea ano nga ba talaga yung gusto ninyo na ma-achieve, or ano yung gusto ninyo na position, ano yung gusto niyo na roles, skills na pwede nyo i-offer, niche. While some trainees, they take their time naman to learn. So talagang parang mga 3-4 na beses sila nagsisitin sa classes, kahit nakapag-sitin na sila doon, bumabalik at bumabalik sila hanggang sa ma-retain nila yung information at ma-apply nila sa sarili nila. Ang tagline namin sa Top VIP is 1 year, 1 fee, 1 goal. Kasi marami ding nag-enroll dito na gusto naman na nilang mag-freelancer na sila. Tapos gusto na nilang mag-build ng VA agencies. But I always tell them, you have to go back to the basics because I am pretty sure one point or another, meron kang na-miss out or may hindi ka pa familiar, and you want to familiarize yourself with as much niche as you can. Para pag nag-offer ka ng service dun sa magiging client mo sa agency, alam mo kagad kung ano yung paano mo ipoposition yung sarili mo as an expert. Anyway, if you guys are interested, alam nyo kung ano mas maganda pa dito. For 1 whole year, unlimited sit-in sa class, 1,999 pesos lang siya. Yun yung pinakambet ng mga kumare natin na madalas mag-sit-in. Kasi ang inspiration ko talaga dito was, merong si Prey, si Jay, and the rest, lagi silang enroll sa kada first class na mag-open. Like, anong trip nyo? Hindi ba kayo nauumay sa pagmumukha ng mga coaches? Anong trip yan? And that's when it hit me na ako rin pala yung nagsabi dito sa mga tao na to na even if you're already earning, you'd still have to continuously learn because that's how you're going to grow. And sabi ko, okay, so sige, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng isang all-access pass, 'di ba? Kaya nabuo tong Top VIP na to and we started last January. So far, feeling ko 50% sit-in na yung mga tao kasi sila karamihan sa kanila may mga work talaga. Okay. Anyway, if you guys wanna join the Top VIP, kung nandito kayo sa TikTok, click nyo lang yung link dito sa bio ko. If you're watching this from Instagram, click nyo lang tong link na to. I have 2 Facebook pages. So this is the first one. This is the second one. I-follow nyo na rin, baka naman. And if you're watching this from Facebook, i-check nyo yung caption, ililink na lang namin doon. If you guys are watching this from my YouTube channel, ito yung second YouTube channel ko na ngayon ko pala binibuild. Pagpasensya nyo na, hindi na kaya na schedule ko. But if you're watching this from YouTube naman, you can always check yung caption. Nandun lang lagi yung link. If you have any questions about working from home, comment nyo lang dyan. And then also make sure to follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!